They said studying abroad was the dream, but for the elite 1%, it is just the beginning. Because these top students don't just chase degrees, they build global influence. They think long term. They build connection with purpose. They craft personal brands that open doors across continents. This is not another course. This is not another webinar. It's a strategic blueprint for those, only those who want to graduate with clarity, visibility, and unstoppable momentum. In 5 modules, you will design your future, master your feasibility, and align your life with your purpose. This is for the international students who knows they are meant for more. The 1% Extraordinary Scholar Legacy Blueprint. Because the world doesn't reward the hidden, it rewards the visible. And we can see it day in, day out. I'll say, enroll now, pay what is able now, and don't wait to pay later. Join the 1%. And we have a plan for every person. You will find where you can start from. Join now. Don't wait to pay more later. Ciao.